Modern Suite Quick Tasks offer a convenient way to execute essential tasks without creating a new list. These actions are designed to be swift, straightforward, and readily repeatable, aligning with your operational needs. To access Quick Tasks, you must possess administrator or full access security level rights within the Modern Suite software. Begin by selecting the menu button. From the main menu, choose Quick Tasks. A concise list of available quick tasks will appear, including Add Alias, Price Check, Price Edit, and Price Edit and Label Print. Clicking the option labeled More Quick Tasks will redirect you to a comprehensive list of all available quick tasks. This list encompasses the initial set of tasks, as well as edit common fields, edit serial numbers, promo edit, stock edit, and add image. Let's delve into the Modern Suite quick task for adding aliases. Begin by clicking on Add Alias from the Quick Task menu. Scan the barcode of the product or manually search for it. Since this is a quick task for adding an alias, you'll only be presented with the option to add an alias for the selected item. Enter the desired alias value and click the Save button. Upon saving the alias, the Quick Task functionality will prompt you to search for another product to add an alias to. For this example, we'll navigate to the Product Lookup menu and search for the doll to verify that our alias of Big Baby has been successfully added. Additionally, you can sync and check the RMH Store Manager to confirm that the alias has been added there as well. Let's explore the Modern Suite Quick Task for price checking. From the Quick Tasks menu, select Price Check. Scan or manually search for the item you wish to check the price of. Within this window, price editing is not permitted. However, you can view commonly used item details. If the user has permission to view cost information in RMH, it will be displayed on the Quick Task Price Check as well. As this quick task is intended for quick price checks, you can easily scan or search for a new item from here. By default, only the fields Description, Item Lookup Code, and Price are visible. However, this can be customized in the App Config window. Let's delve into the Modern Suite Quick Task for price editing. From the Quick Tasks menu, select Price Edit. Scan or manually search for the item whose price you wish to modify. Within this window, you can adjust the item's price or cost. Click Save to apply the changes. After saving, the Quick Task will prompt you to scan or search for a new item to edit, aligning with its intended purpose of facilitating quick and repetitive price modifications. For this example, let's search for the football in the product lookup. We can confirm that the price has been successfully updated. Additionally, you can verify the price change by refreshing the RMH Store Manager. Let's examine the Modern Suite Quick Task for price editing and label printing, which closely resembles the price edit functionality, but with an additional option to print a label after the price modification. From the Quick Tasks menu, select Price Edit and Label Print. Scan or manually search for the item whose price and label you wish to modify. Adjust the item's price or cost and click Save. Upon saving, you'll be presented with the option to print a label or skip the label printing process. Skipping will proceed to the next item entry. If you choose to print a label, select the desired label template and the configured printer you wish to use. The label will be printed and you'll be directed to the next item entry. Please note that if no label templates or printer defaults are saved in your system, you'll be prompted to manually select the label template and printer when you click Label Print. Let's explore the Modern Suite Quick Task for editing common fields. From the Quick Tasks menu, select Edit Common Fields. Scan or manually search for the item you wish to modify. Editable fields include department, category, price, cost, and a toggle for whether the item is food stamp eligible. In this example, we'll update the department and category fields to more accurately reflect the product's nature. Once you've completed the desired edits, click Save. After saving, you'll be presented with the option to print a new label or skip the label printing process. Selecting Skip Label Print will direct you back to the item entry screen for further edits. Navigating to the product lookup will confirm that the department and category have been successfully updated for this basketball. Additionally, verifying the changes in RMH Store Manager will confirm that the department and category updates have been reflected there as well. Let's delve into the Modern Suite Quick Task for editing serial numbers. From the Quick Tasks menu, select Edit Serial Numbers. Scan or manually search for the item whose serial numbers you wish to modify. The item details will be displayed, including existing serial numbers. You will then have the option to highlight and delete an existing serial number by clicking on the trash icon, changing the status of an existing serial number to either available, sold, offline, or transferred by selecting the desired option from the drop-down menu, or adding a new serial number to the item by clicking on the green plus icon. In this example, let's add a new serial number to the boys' bike item. Enter the serial number and click Add. The new serial number will be added to the list. You can refresh the database and verify the changes in the RMH Store Manager. Let's examine the Modern Suite Quick Task for promo editing. From the Quick Tasks menu, select Promo Edit. Scan or manually search for the item you wish to add or modify a promotional offer for. The item details will be displayed, including the option to enable or disable the on sale flag. In this example, we'll turn on the on sale flag to indicate that the item is available at a discounted price. Next, click on Sales Start Date and select the date from the calendar to mark the beginning of the promotion. Similarly, click on Sale End Date and choose the date from the calendar to indicate the end of the promotional period. Now you can select from the discount options: % discount off, whole dollar off, or sale price. For this example, we'll choose % discount off and set the discount to 50%. Once you've finalized the promotional details, click Save. After saving, you'll be presented with the option to print a label or skip the label printing process. To verify the promotional changes, navigate to the RMH Store Manager software and refresh the database. Search for the basketball item and check the pricing tab. Here you'll confirm that this is now set to be on sale at the designated 50% discount for the specified date range. Let's explore the Modern Suite Quick Task for stock editing, which allows you to swiftly modify the on-hand quantity of any specific item or items. From the Quick Tasks menu, select Stock Edit. Scan or manually search for the item whose stock quantity you want to adjust. Locate the quantity field and enter the desired quantity. Click Save to apply the changes. After saving, you'll be prompted to scan or search for another item to modify its stock level. To verify the changes, navigate to the product lookup and search for the item. You'll confirm that the updated on-hand quantity is reflected. Additionally, you can verify the changes in the RMH Store Manager. Refresh the database and navigate to the Basketball Items Inventory tab. You can confirm that the stock level has been updated there as well. Let's delve into the Modern Suite Quick Task for adding images, which enables you to quickly associate images with specific items. From the Quick Tasks menu, select Add Image. Scan or manually search for the item you wish to add an image to. If an image was previously associated with this item, it will be displayed. To add a new image, click the Add Image button. This will open a file browser window, allowing you to navigate and select the desired image file. Once you've selected the image, click Open to upload it. The image will be associated with the item, and it will be displayed on the screen. If you wish to replace the existing image with a different one, click on the Update Image button. This will open a file browser window, allowing you to select the new image file. Once you've selected the new image, click Open to replace the existing image. The updated image will then be displayed on the screen. After adding or updating an image, you can scan or search for another item to associate an image with.